Following video will help you to create a sales invoice in iWebNotes ERP. To create a sales invoice, go to the Accounts module, click on the plus sign to create a new sales invoice. Select the debit to account. Select the name of the customer. The voucher date is the date on which the voucher is entered into the system. The default date is the current date. Due date is the date by which payment from customer is expected. The due date is automatically calculated depending on the credit days entered into the account master of the customer. The posting date is the date at which the current transaction will take effect in the accounting ledger. Now, an invoice can be made against a sales order or a delivery note, or you can directly create an invoice without a preceding document. Suppose we create an invoice against a sales order. Select the sales order number. Click on Get Items. The items would be fetched automatically from the sales order. Now select the income account for the particular invoice. Select the cost center. Now click on Calculate Values. Now the tax charges which are applicable are automatically fetched from the sales order. Now select the terms and conditions applicable to the invoice. Click on Get Items. You can even edit your terms and conditions as per your requirement. These terms and conditions are printed in your sales invoice. In additional info, you can enter the remarks, if any. This is the breakup of the total amount in the invoice. In advances, you can adjust any advances if you have received against this customer. Now, save the invoice. Once you save the invoice, an auto number is generated for the invoice. Now, submit the invoice. Once you submit the invoice, the accounting entries will affect your GL. This is how your invoice will look like once printed. Now go to next step. In next steps, you can create a bank voucher against this sales invoice. Click